Vape mixer, vape mixer. Come gather round with vape mixer.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the Vape Mixer channel. I hope you're doing okay, because I'm doing okay too. And I've kind of run out of my big puff disposables. They're all kind of empty. So I need to get a new device open, which means it's time for an unboxing. And what I'm going to unbox today is the Pixo Aura from Aspire. It's a pod kit, and I've got a juice from Just Juice, which I'm going to use as well. Now, unfortunately, if you are watching on YouTube, still have the strike on my channel till about halfway through January. As soon as that strike clears, I'll be able to show more on this channel. I just don't want to risk it while there's a false strike on my channel, which I moaned about enough. So I'm not going to go too far into it. But if you are on YouTube, click the link at the top of the description to be taken to Rumble, where you can see this video in full. And again, it is only temporary. As soon as that strike clears, I will be able to show more on this YouTube channel. So make sure you do hit subscribe, because as soon as the strike clears, we're going to resume to normal service on this YouTube channel. Hopefully, barring any more problems or lies from YouTube, but we will see. So if you're on YouTube, I will see you in a second. Just make sure it's all hidden, and we can bring back the YouTube guys. So hi YouTube, welcome back to the video. It's a very simple device. There's not really much to it. I do have a few niggly things. The Just juice I actually kind of really like. But if you do want to see the full thing, head over to the Rumble channel. Link is in the description. Click that link and you'll see the full video with everything included. But there's not really much I can say about it. It's a very simple device. Not much going on with it. But generally, overall, I'm impressed. So that is where I'm going to leave it, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button or the follow button, depending on which platform you're on. Hit the like button as well, and leave me a comment. I do still love reading everybody's comments. So, and like I said, once the strike is off my channel, halfway through January, normal service will resume on my YouTube channel as well. It's just for the time being while that strike is there, which YouTube falsely placed on my channel. I just don't want to risk it. It's a little bit too risky at the minute, especially with what they accused me of last time. So, yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It really is appreciated. And, okay, bye.